quiet rural setting. Vanzo calling Cedar Valley home. He entered Rising Stars, placed second in Magnum Kings and Queens of Dancehall. Some music producers in France followed his progress and offered an album. The first single, Officer, laying down the roots rock beat still adored by European reggae traditionalists. The lyric tapping into a mood there and elsewhere, critical of heavy-handed policing. Officer with a vibe deserves a buzz. So you're Vanzo?
Yeah man, that's what I'm a thanks so. The real general for me is Tennessee. He's from way back before me was born and thing. But me rate Tennessee style. Me kinda use some of Tennessee style in my music. And you don't know, me bringing the modern style with it. Officer,
why am I afraid of you? Why am so scared just to talk to you? Aren't you there to protect me in everywhere?
we have songs out, but it's not reaching the right ears. So that kind of hold on the thing, because right now I know a whole heap of artists from Magnum and even Rising Star are doing music right now, but people not hearing it. So it's all about the right link. If you don't have the right connections, you have the good music and nobody now hear you. I think I had the right materials long time before, but it's just linking up with the right people.
You have those links now?
I think so. I'm working with Baco Music. They are the one who put out the album, doing shows in Europe, France mostly, and we've been in Belgium. I don't know, we have some other producers on the side. Because I used to work with Arif Cooper in Jamaica. You know, you have a dream, you get a quick dream and all of a sudden you wake up. It's like that. It's a sad situation that we have lost the general.
We should can have a reason, boom off my fist like this. Why you toughen up your face? I must have pulled out knees. Officer, why am I?
You see me now, me is the type of youth, I listen R&B, I listen hip-hop, dancehall, everything, jazz. Erica Badu and them people, so when me set up a man start do my own music, I incorporate everything. So my music have a little flair. Well, to me still, you don't know, real youth. Music is bigger than just Jamaica. So I'm not thinking about Jamaica only. I try to reach out to people who buy music, people who go to stage shows and know say I can gain out of music. That is not my main goal, you know, to be rich and everybody wants to be rich, but that is not my main goal. My main goal is to know that people love my music all over the world and they're requesting Vanzo.
Why am I afraid of you? Why am so scared just to talk to you? Aren't you there to protect me in everywhere?
I love roots reggae. I love rocksteady reggae. You see me I say? I love the older type, them alternatives and them one day. I like them things there. So when we hear this rhythm, it never hard for me. Just get in the mood same time. If we are dealing with roots rock reggae.
You mentioned Alton Ellis a while ago. You think more youngsters should tune into some early rocksteady, some early reggae in Jamaica just to get a sense of the history and where the music is coming from?
The people overseas, they love the roots rock reggae. So if you can incorporate the old time reggae with the new thing, it would be great for your music as an artist. The music from back then, it have a feel. It have a feel to me where I'm not really getting in the newer type of songs.
Enough of them set up the crime too. From them see you in a tight pants, them say you're idle. So them snipe you, then them try to know who you. I saw them to make those.
Officer. You know, say Officer is a real song. Yeah, I've been in situation with officers that the way them treat me is unkind. People in Europe been saying that they are facing the same thing. So it's a real wide thing. They have good cop and bad cop. And them are the peace officers, you know, we're not supposed to afraid of them. Yeah, no faces on police and you say you're afraid to look on them because you're afraid them might pull off a gun. You can't think like that. You're supposed to know, say, yo, that is the general, and I say, because yourself, my G, and we're gone.
You say you had experiences with the cops which were negative.
I was in a taxi long time and with my family, my mother and my brother. The police stopped the car and he had the gun point down on us. So me say, how am I deal with it? So me say, how am I deal with the situation, sir? Them can't do it like that. So I say, yo, if you want to call out the driver, you call out the driver and you talk to him differently, but you can't sit normal passenger in the car and you have the gun on them like this. You get intimidated. Because I don't know, you have normal people walking in Spanish Town and based on how they look, police just feel like they need to dig them up and say, oh, this a man is a criminal. When that man just coming from all the call center, just done the job and him go home. But the police, them, I say, yo, him have on tight pants and him look like a criminal, so them just deal with him grimy. So that's not right.
Maybe the police are scared too. You know, sometimes they're the target.
Yeah. Well, maybe. But big up the good police officers them out there. You don't know, Vanzo now just bashing on and say, yo, done with police.
I don't know with it and knock. My drop on the ground before my take a stack.
Vanzo's been to France 3 times already for the year and is heading back in June with more, as he puts it, real music.
We had a thing for my grandparents and everybody was playing my song. So I was in the land and I feel good for my grandparents I dance to my song. You see me, I say, and young people are dance to it, so, and I like an old man thing, you know. It's for everybody. I like real music. Real music, I like.
Why am I afraid of you? Why am I so scared just to talk to you? Aren't you there to protect me in everywhere?